Cookie pickle pants. Woo!
Next up is Alexis Combo, also known as Perky Peppermint. Next up we have Emily Cooper, also known as Squeezy Plum Pants.
Woo!
Next we have Easy Catherine White. I don't know what this is going to say though. Squeezy is also known as Squeezy Peppermint. Next we have Lauren Club, also known as Tinker Monkey Bun.
It's a rainbow thrown up. Or not a rainbow, a reindeer.
Next we have Ella Reese Walker, also known as what's her name? Also known as Squeezy Tobel. Show her suspenders out.
Brindley.
Now we have Brindley Dowdett, also known as Nipper Sparkly Toes.
Woo! Brindley.
Now we have Madison Jim Vessel, also known as Twinkle Pickle Pants.
Work it. There you go. Woo!
And now we have me, Elena Price Walker. Also known as Perky Plum Pants.
Woo! All right. Okay, work it. Show it. Dance it.